that can be enjoyed by everyone, and I'm sure your kids are going to love this recipe. Now this is made with a nice creamy cheesy white sauce and loaded with vegetables. So let's get started and check out the recipe. Take a pot, pour enough water for boiling the pasta. Once the water begins to boil, add a little salt. I've taken 250 grams of penne pasta shells. We're going to cook the pasta shells till they are 90% done. So you don't want to cook it all the way through, because when you mix it with sauce, it can become more soggier and more soft and the pasta shells can break. Strain the water and let it cool. Next I'm going to saute some vegetables for the pasta. Take a nice wide pan. For this I'm taking 1 tablespoon of butter. Add a little olive oil, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic finely chopped. I love using garlic in my dishes, and especially for pastas it infuses a great flavor. Next add 1 large onion finely chopped. So I'm going to add a few vegetables. Now you can use any vegetable of your choice, starting with red bell pepper, green bell pepper, carrots, broccoli, mushrooms cut into quarts, sweet corn kernels, green olives, you can also use black, I'm going to season the vegetables, starting with half teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon chilli flakes, some freshly ground pepper, next I'm going to make the creamy cheese sauce. For this, take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, add 1 tablespoon of Maida or all-purpose flour. We're going to cook the Maida first. So now gradually pour in the milk. I'm using 2 cups of milk. Give it a quick mix. I'm going to grate about 150 grams of processed cheese. So you can adjust the cheese according to the quantity of pasta you're making. To this I'm going to add half teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half teaspoon chilli flakes, some freshly grated pepper, so here we have a very nice creamy cheesy white sauce. The cheese is melted. You can see the sauce is looking absolutely gorgeous. Now if you see, I've not added any salt because the cheese has quite a bit of salt in it. Now that the sauce is ready, I'm going to mix the vegetables and the pasta into the sauce. After adding the cooked vegetables, now I'm going to add the cooked pasta. Now mix everything together. So I'm going to finish off with some basil leaves. Now I like to add the leaves as a whole, but you can just chop them and add them. Give it a quick mix. Pasta is ready to be served. Garnish it with some grated cheese. There you go. Here is this creamy and cheesy vegetable pasta. Now the vegetables, you can use any vegetables of your choice and also adjust the cheese according to the quantity of pasta that you're making. So do try this recipe and enjoy it nice and hot. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frames.